Alright, so found our culprit. Everything's out of there. And yeah, guess it is the pinion bearing. Alright, so after beating the ever-living piss out of the pinion for like an hour straight, with a big fuck off hammer, pinion bearing was bad. That's what all that ruckus was. You see those grooves where the bearings were just doing funky shit. Now I did rip this up, but if you see how that material has moved from spinning, that ain't from me. Catching and uncatching and catching and uncatching. See the material on the shaft here. This basically got so hot it just kind of fucking welded itself. This is the culprit of why the 10 bolt was down for the third time. Oh, and by the way, I did some research and those G80 lockers aren't that great, so I may not even run that. I may just go back to my old weldy boy. Yoo-hoo! Cecil Nader, what's up with all the Fords out here? It smells like stale fuel and mud crickets. It's a fucking Ford Ranger. Holy fuck. Another Ford Ranger. Fords. Oh, hey, 2500. No motor, no trans. Took the computer too. Dirty bastards. That's 8 lug. Somebody already got. Oh, they might have done the work for me. Alright, after mixing and matching, I have my side bearing final preload to 22.38 inch-pounds, which is perfect. And my backlash is at the lowest end of the tolerance at 5/1000ths of an inch. In my book, I think that might be perfect because as this thing wears in, it's going to open up. So, you know, might as well be at the lowest end so it has the longest life. I could be wrong. I don't know. Maybe it'll wear faster. I don't fucking know. Now, gonna paint my pattern and see if the pinion fucking plays nice, and if it's all fucked up I gotta start moving shit around and start over basically. But hopefully doing all the bullshit science won't be fucked up, so we'll see. I'm trying to fucking record. Chris, I can't record if you're shitting your brains out. Alright, Chris, what do you think of our final contact pattern?
I think it'll work.
I think it'll work too. It's not the halfway, it's a little bit past towards the tower heel or whatever the fuck side that is. And we got our backlash perfect. Our bearing preload and the axle bearings are pretty fucking mint. So that's where she gonna be if she makes noise. I got motherfucking evidence. I did this shit right. I won't hear no fucking noise. I'm even going to show you all the bearing preload. So this needs to be 24 to 26 inch-pounds to after 373 gears, and it was originally 20 inch-pounds, so that should be plenty within a good range there. So it's in between 24 and 26 inch-pounds. Which gives us good bearing preload on the side bearings. All my beautiful white paint needs to get painted again, and I'm fucking done with this piece of shit. Go a little bit tighter. And the fuck was that?
I'll fart them away, don't worry.
I told you there's a goddamn velocicracker out here. I know it. I ain't even got my piece on me. Yeah. I hope so. I ain't fighting no goddamn velocicracker tonight, son. Alright, so yeah, this is done. I'm gonna shoot fucking oil all over it. Go to work tomorrow, come back and finish this bitch up and throw it in this bitch and fucking clean up all this bitch and fucking put that bitch in and that bitch over there in. Got the paint, okay. All right, well, that's how you keep shit from rusting overnight. And all right, you can do your fucking...
You want me to turn this off?
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good night.
Okay, good night. I can't see anything. Where am I walking? Oh shit, I just about fucking... Oh god. Oh my god. Alright, good night, motherfuckers. See you tomorrow. Alright. It's time to fire the old shitbird up, drive her home, go to work tomorrow, and hopefully everything I did in that there yonder rear end is good to go. Definitely cold. She don't like the cold. So far, the rear end has not exploded or made any fucking noises. Not that I would be able to really hear it. It sounds quiet. I can't hear anything back there. 500-mile braking period, eh? I don't know if it's gonna make it 6. Hang in there, old girl. Hang in there. We are moving down the road with the rear wheels, and it sounds nice and quiet. Although I do know this G80 locker is probably going to fucking explode. Just saying. What temp are you, girl? You almost warm. Oh my god. Yep, this G80 ain't gonna hold it. I don't even know which tire spun or a bolt spun. I wasn't even trying. She just kind of got in the boost. Love the smell from the 85. Well, fuck yeah, that's a success in my book. I've just been dying to drive the thing. I don't really want to beat on it, although I absolutely do want to beat on it. I just want to drive it. All right, y'all. I will start recording if some shit goes down.
Yeah, Mr. White. Yes, science, bitch.